AI isn't just for fun. People are using it to actually make money every single day. Today, I'll show you 3 real AI tools you can use to earn money starting this week. No scams, no fake hype, only what truly works. 1. Canva AI for designing and selling. Canvas AI is one of the easiest tools to start with. You can use it to create YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, business logos, posters, ebook covers, resume designs, and you can sell these designs on Fiverr, Upwork, Etsy, and Facebook pages. People pay $5 to $50 per design. You only need 1 to 2 hours a day to start making money. Why it works? Because businesses need fresh designs daily, and Canva AI makes it fast, even for beginners. 2. Opus Clip, or similar AI video editors, for Reels editing. Short-form video editing is in massive demand right now. Creators, influencers, and brands all need short reels. AI tools like Opus Clip, Wizard, or Capwing AI can automatically cut long videos, add captions, add transitions, and make the clips viral ready. You can sell TikTok Reels, Shorts, Instagram Reels. Clients on Fiverr pay $10 to $80 per reel, and businesses often need 20 to 40 reels per month. Why it works? Because you don't need to be an expert editor. The AI does most of the work. Your job is to clean the final video and deliver it. 3. ChatGPT, writing, marketing, and freelancing. ChatGPT can help you make money by offering services like writing descriptions, creating ad copy, social media captions, email marketing, blog posts, product descriptions, YouTube scripts. You can sell these services on Fiverr, Upwork, or directly on Facebook groups. People pay $10 to $100 per project, and with practice, you can finish in minutes. How to earn? Pick one service, scripts, captions, emails, create a simple portfolio, post samples, take orders, deliver using ChatGPT. Why it works? Every business needs text and content. AI helps you produce high-quality work super fast. These tools won't make you rich overnight, but if you put in effort, you can build real online income with them. Here they are again: Canva AI, design and sell; Opus Clip or Wizard, Reels editing; ChatGPT, writing and content services. Use them right, and you can start making money this week.